Hey, it's Kurt again with LifterLMS. And in this lesson, really wanted to give you a quick tour of SkyPilot. Now, in our last lesson, I was showing you how to select a theme, how to install a theme, and how to activate a theme. But in this lesson, I want to focus on the theme that we did install because it's a big enough improvement that I feel we need to go specific with what SkyPilot really is. If we take a look at our screen, you're going to see that SkyPilot is part of the new full site editing initiative that WordPress has put out. Now, I don't want to go too deep on this, but full site editing is the newest way to edit and build a WordPress website. So there's no better time to get into WordPress than now because you're working with the newest and the best stuff that is available. If we go over to our website, this is the website as we changed it. If you remember, in settings for reading, the site was set up to show us the most recent posts because we haven't really added any static pages yet. So on our homepage, we see the two posts that are in our system, the one that came with our sample and the one that we made ourselves in one of the lessons. If we go back up to the top, we see that we have a clickable link here. This is our header, and this will always bring our viewer back to the home page. We have our menu. The only thing on our menu is the sample page because we haven't created any additional pages yet. And then we have a call to action button, which our theme added for us. This is something that we'll be able to build on and use as a marketing tool as we build the rest of the page. Now, one of the things that I wanted to show you was the footer. And in the footer, we also have another call to action that is in place with another clickable button. If we take a look here, we've got title of section, categories, navigation, archives. If you remember what I said earlier about blog posts, they create an archive of posts. And so our footer will list those out automatically. And we've got a search feature built into the theme. These are all things that help you build on your content management system, the items in your site that you want to display to your readers. So if we take a look at edit site at the top, whenever you see edit site in the admin bar, that's a sign to you that this website is a full site editing capable theme. So if we click on edit site, it's going to take us right into a screen editor, and it's going to give us the ability to add different things in a templated way to the features of our website. So, and we'll go through this a little bit later, but I really wanted to drive home the idea that SkyPilot is one of the newest, most modern themes that you can add to your WordPress build. And it's specifically built to deal with learning management systems like LifterLMS, but it is completely compatible on any WordPress website. And so as we take a look at the different features that we can take a look at, we can edit the header directly. We can take a look at the different details that that has. We can take a look at the navigation so we can edit the page list and have different features show up in our navigation. We can also go back by clicking that caret, and we can take a look at all the template parts that are available to be played with. So we have footers, headers. We can take a look at all patterns. There we go. This is a template part, and we're able to make any adjustments that we need to make to the footer. I'll go ahead and close that. As you see, as you click around for the first time, you'll get little dialog boxes that come up and help guide you through making the necessary changes in your site. Folks, I hope that you enjoy using SkyPilot in your site, and we'll keep working forward through our lessons and building out the rest of our site with pages and additional features. Talk to you soon.